Aray ko. Oh, happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you. Get going. Yes, going to Jollibee. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much. Thank you for likes. Thank you. Hi, lovely lives. Oh, long time no see. Long time no hear. I'm only mothers on Friday. Only Friday. Hi, lovely lives. Long time no here. What happened? May gulay. Thank you po. Was mowing mountain and got a lot of red ants on me. Why? Oh my God. I just a long time no see is true. Lol. I just been busy, but I miss you, Cheryl. How have you been? You miss a lot here. That's why I'm engaged na. Lovely life. I'm engaged finally. You miss it. Oo, hay na. Di mo binutang. Magkano ka na lang sa ng sintas tapos ibaba mo yun ano mo. Oo. Magkano ka sa sintas tapos ibaba mo yun na bado mo. Magsapatos ka.
Boyo, di ba magsulto ka na dyan?
Oo. Preparing going to Jollibee with my son. Thank you, 14 people. I like your ring, Charlotte. Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you for the 6 people.
Finally, I took a while, but you're engaged as a Filipino wife. Yes, yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh, well, you mukbang Jollibee with us. Going back to Mao, but check your messages, Pintan Shara. We talk later. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Fred. Are we going to Jollibee with you, Cheryl? Go, Lou. Where are you now? Lovely lives. Where are you? Where are you? I thought you are somewhere going Kwan. Ah, you flying? You going fly away from where? United States? Lovely lives. You. Ah. I mean, are you taking the live stream with you to Jollibee? No, don't be silly. Okay. Okay, I will do live there. Sorry. I'm just one. You know, I'm not fluent in English. That's why I'm not. Sorry. I'm just smart. I'm not smart. I'm not smart. Something like that. My God, I'm too slow. My kulay. And I were late na. That's fine. Oh, I need to make beautiful. Going there. What is that? You're not slow. You are too fast. You are too fast. I need to make upload the video. The short video. Godspeed Shara. Oh my gulay. Para sa diin yun. Pagawat ko na. Hawag pa
dito ka utod. Nakautod pa dito. Doon na lang pag
are looking all pretty today. Cheryl is dressing to impress. Thing like that. Dressing to impress. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Did you have breakfast and coffee yet today? Even if the chat is not around to call you beautiful, at least your husband will, Cheryl. Yeah, yes. I'm lucky because my husband to be, my future husband to me, he think I'm beautiful, something like. You think I'm beautiful. Thank you so much to my future husband today because he see me as beautiful woman. You skip breakfast and coffee again? Yes. I'm going there. I quan there. I eat a lot there at the Jollibee. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you so much. And wait. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers all over the world. To all mothers. May gulay. Gab. Sabi ko, ano na yan?
Ayaw na.
Okay na yan. Iluwas mo ang jacket mo. Okay, I will mark this video until the red cam charot. Okay, the marites.
Mabox kita. Ay, nasa ikling ako.
Oh, sige. Mag-short ka para suot. Imagine Cheryl as mother, you would be a great mom, Cheryl. Yes. A weak mom. Weak mom. So many sprays and moisturizers getting new, Cheryl. That's a beauty care. Yes. Beauty care. Gabriel. Gabriel. Mapatog ka na naman. Di na naman diyan sa nugali. Naraman na nakalay ba? Yes, beauty care. I bet you Cheryl's texting him now. Huh? My hubby? You're going now, sweet, pretty, awesome girl. Yes, I'm going now. Lovely Lives is my future hubby. His name is Mike, the classic. We're going now. Yes, your hubby Lou. My hubby is Juan. Has that 96 C4 classic. This is my future hubby. Okay, have fun, Cheryl. Thank you, lovely. My love, Mike. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the treat, for the gift. Happy Mother's Day. Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you so much. We're going now. Enjoy your special day with Gab. Yes, thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Oh, magsapatos ka.
Ang black shoes.
Ay, diri, ito na. May rubber shoes ka baga? Ano rubber shoes mo? Ito ho, na ano, red. Ay, ano na? Pero mag-rubber shoes ka na lang. Punasan mo dito sa luwas, tapos siya rin mag-videos ka. Sabi ko na mag-ano ka na, ano ka pa. Ah, ah. Dali, ito na ho. Di mo na ito. Hi, live in North Carolina. Thank you for joining. Kanina ka pa. Thumbs up, sis. Thank you so much. You are watching from Greensboro, North Carolina. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, sister. Hi. Thank you for joining. Make sure you and Gab eat a lot of Jollibee. Fill up your tummies. Thank you, my love. Oh my God. Hello, Mark Douglas. Hi, Mark. He's my future hobby. Classic. He's also an American. We're going to Jollibee with my son today for treat. He treat. Yes, you are right. Yes, but thank you, Sir Mark, for joining. Mm, Thank you for the likes. Sa- LG, hi, LG. I see the video of you and loving, so beautiful. Thank you, Sir Mark. We're going now. How is he today? He's fine. Yes, he's fine. We're getting he need to stay good because we meet soon again. Thank you for joining, Sir Mark. We need to end the live because we're going to at the mall now. Thank you so much. You look so good, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Sir Mark. God bless everyone. Okay, bye-bye. I will do live there at the Charlie's would be. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, my love, Mike.